Meaning of friendly society.
Friendly society.
Friendly society.
Friendly society.
Friendly society. A friendly society is a type of mutual insurance organization that dates back to the 18th century. It aims to provide its members with a range of benefits, such as financial support in times of hardship, healthcare, and social activities. Members of a friendly society agree to pay regular contributions into a communal fund, which is then used to support those in need within the group. These societies were particularly popular among lower-income communities in the past, but their importance has diminished with the rise of government's social welfare programs.